Hey everybody, welcome back to Rug Time Toys. I'm at Target. I found these really awesome He-Man toys that I have not seen before, so I am going to check them out. Please don't forget to hit that little subscribe button in the corner here, and let's get going on checking out these cool new He-Man toys.
Rug Time Toys!
Alright, I saw these out of the corner of my eye walking through Target, and I knew I had to do a video of them because I have never seen them before. Looks like all these, this is Savage He-Man, and it includes Orko. All these toy companies are starting to refill these shelves with some awesome stuff. Here's a close-up look of Orko. He's awesome. He looks really cool, and there's a stand on the bottom so he can stand up. Battle axe for He-Man, swords, hands, rippling muscles. Could almost pass for Tarzan on this one. With blonde hair, of course. He's got a spear. Let's look on the back. We've actually done a video on all of them except for Scare Glow here, so if you want to see any of those, you can check out some of those old videos that I made in my playlists. You can pause it right here if you wanted to read the description. Flip this back over now, and we will move down to this, which is really cool. So new for 2022, so you should start seeing this showing up on some of your shelves. This is Stridor from the Masters of the Universe. Heroic Armored Warhorse. Here's a look closer at him here. Looks like he's got two cannons on the front and one on the back. Attack blast effects. You can see the little seat right there where a figure can go in. And then you've got a little harness in the front for his head. A couple of blaster cannons. Very cool stuff. And then you can see right here, new Flying Fists He-Man for 2022. That looks pretty neat. And then a Terror Claws Skeletor. Looks like Wolverine Skeletor or something. One half Warhorse, one half War Machine. Straidor carries the heroes of Eternia whenever they need him to. Replace with second helmet if you want. And then attach the floor of Castle Grayskull. You can so I guess pose into powerful battle positions. You can take this if you have Castle Grayskull and attach it to kind of extend Grayskull, which is pretty cool. But this will be the end of the video, short one today. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and thanks again for checking me out. Have a good one.